Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're having trouble opening certain Roblox games because of age limits or maturity ratings, you can adjust your content maturity settings to unlock more games. Start by opening the Roblox app on your phone or computer. It works almost the same on all devices. From the main screen, look at the bottom right corner and tap on More. Inside this menu, scroll down slowly until you find Settings. Go ahead and tap on it. Next, tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. This is where you can manage which games you're allowed to play. At the very top, you'll see Content Maturity. If it's set to minimal, you'll only be able to play games with the lowest age rating. To access more games, you can switch it to Mild or Moderate. And if you want full access, choose Restricted. But there's an important detail here. When you select Restricted, Roblox may ask you to verify your age first. To do that, go back to the main settings page. Tap on Account Info and check the Age Group section. If you see an option to verify my age, follow the prompts to complete the process. Keep in mind, only players 18 and older can unlock restricted games. Once that's done, return to the maturity settings and make sure your preferred level is selected. After saving, you'll have access to the games that match the setting you chose. You now know how to change your Roblox content maturity so you can explore more games safely. If this walkthrough helped you out, tap the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips. See you next time.